Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Okay, so let's open up our camera first. And now let me show you the most interesting things. So first, when we are in the photo mode, I'm going to show you how to use the custom filters. You might not know about that you can use your personal photos and by using them you can create a unique filter. So to open up the filters we need to click on this icon on the top right corner. Now to add the custom filter we need to click on that plus button right in here. And now we can use our photo and it will be used as a filter. So for example, I have this screenshot. Now we need to wait. Now click on create, click on done. And it doesn't want to be saved, I don't know why. Something. Okay, I think something actually liked, so let's do this once more. Let's click on that plus button, let's select some photo, maybe that one. Okay, now click on create, click on done, and now it has been successfully saved. And now we have this photo as our new filter. Now we can go into the settings by clicking right in here. And in here we have a few options that I want to show you. So for example, we have under the pictures mode we have a swipe shutter button 2, and now we can select the action. So currently it's a take burst shot. You also have animation how to do it. So we can take the burst shot or we can create a GIF if we swipe the shutter button. So let me show you how to use the burst shot. So remember that to use the burst shot you need to have the 12 megapixel mode enabled, because on the 50 or 200 it won't work. Just to show you, I'll select 50, I swipe, and you can see the information that I cannot take burst shots in 50 megapixels. So now I'll select the 12, and now I'm gonna swipe down the shutter button to show you how this works. Okay, so now as you can see I took 70 photos. They are all right in here, all single of them. Okay, and yeah, I took like 70 photos by performing that kind of move. It is a pretty cool feature. Now we can change that into the GIF. It was here, advanced. No, sorry, not in here. Swipe shutter button. Now let's click on create GIF. Okay, and now I took 22 photos. So basically it works almost the same as the burst mode, but the photos are being taken simply slower than on the burst mode. Okay, in here we can also enable to use the watermark, and as we click into the advanced options we can change the motion photo capture. We have before and after shutter, or we can select before shutter only. We can enable the high efficiency pictures, so save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format HEIF. Some apps and websites don't support HEIF pictures. And now let's go into the selfies. We have an option to save selfies as previewed, so save selfies as and self videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. If you want, you can enable it. So basically now there won't be that mirror effect on your selfies, so they won't be flipped. Okay, now we have the videos. We can change the FPS in here. We can enable the video stabilization, which is a cool feature. I suggest you should enable it. And under the advanced video options, we can enable the HDR or the Pro mode only under the log in here. And under the audio we have the zoom in mic 360 audio recording and the audio playback. You can read about those options right in here and you can enable them. Okay, other cool thing is that under the shooting methods we have some things. We have the voice commands actually. In here you can see about it. So take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record videos by saying record video. So now let me show you how this works. So I'll try to take a photo and record a video. So let's begin with the photo. Okay, let's say I will say the cheese. Cheese. Boom, you can see and that the photo has been taken. Let me show you this once more. Cheese. Okay, the photo has been taken. Now let's go into the video mode and let's try to record the video. Record video. And now as you can see the recording has been started. Boom, I can save it and it has been successfully saved. So it's pretty cool thing, those voice commands. Okay, let's get back into the settings. And in here I'm wondering there's something more that I wanted to show you, but I think that's all. Maybe in the shooting methods. Okay, also under the volume buttons we can adjust some things. So we can take a picture or record video, but we can change it into zoom in or out, or to control volume. So when I'll select the control volume, it will be like simply on the home screen. We will adjust the volume level. But let me show you how it looks like when I'll select the zoom in or out. So now, as I select the photo, when I click one of the volume buttons, I should zoom in or zoom out. So let's try zoom out now. Okay, and now I'll try to zoom in. And as you can see, it works. So in my opinion, it's also a cool thing that you can adjust. But I'll leave it to take picture or record video. Below we have also the floating shutter button. Take pictures with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen and show palm. Show your palm into the camera, take selfies and start recording selfie videos. So let's try with this floating button. Okay. So this is this extra button that we can place anywhere we want on the screen. Let's say on the left side. Now I'll try to take a photo by clicking in here, and as you can see, it works. Let's try with the video now. Okay, actually it's only for the photo mode. My bad, because for video we have showing the palm. So now when I'll select the front camera and I will show the palm, it should record the video. Okay, I think you could see that, and now as you can see the video is being recorded. Let's try this once more. I'll show my palm above in front of the rear camera. Boom, and as you can see the video is being recorded. I think that's all when it comes to those options, because now I'm going to show you what things are under the more. In here we have a few modes, but we want to click on that eye icon because in here we have some hidden things. So for example, we have the discover, wine, scene describer, object identifier, text reader, and the call detection. So now let me show you how this works. So basically now when I'll point the camera at some objects, it will identify the colors. So now I'm pointing at the table, so it's white, and now I'll for example point on that plant. So you can see that it works. It detects the colors. Sometimes you need to try a few times, but it should work just fine. And now we have the text reader. Unfortunately, I don't have any text that I can show you, but actually I have this can. So I'll take the photo. Okay, I took the photo of the can, and it's reading the text that was written. So this is how it works. But the language on that can is in Polish, so you can see that it's not doing everything right and reading it. It's more like for the English text. Now we have the object identifier. So I'll need to point something in front of the camera. For example, I have this stream deck next to me, and I'll try to take a photo of it. Okay, maybe it's not recognizing it very well, but let's try with this plant. Maybe not the baby shoes, but it's reading it almost fine. We also have the scene describer. So now again I need to take a photo, maybe again this plant. And I think it said the truth about the pink succulent in a white square pot. Maybe I'll take my my keyboard actually. Let's try to take a picture of it, and we will try. Does it recognize it? Okay. Okay, I think it did the job pretty okay. It's indeed a keyboard on the table. We also have the wine mode, but I don't have any wine to show you. And also we have the discover. And in here, as you can see, we have a similar keyboards to mine, and we can find them, for example, on the Reddit, on the Pinterest, and we can find these things in the Google. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.